welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. In central Alberta lies the serene village of Bittern Lake, once known as Rosenrall, a name echoing its humble beginnings in the late 19th century. Established in 1899, the first post office was a modest affair tucked away in the home of Ernest Roper. Over the years, the village grew, attracting settlers drawn by promises of fertile land and opportunity. As Bittern Lake flourished, so did its agricultural endeavors. The sandy loam soil proved fertile ground for a variety of crops, including the majestic sunflower, which became a symbol of the village's agricultural prowess. But farming in Bittern Lake was not without its challenges. Harsh winters brought scarcity with hay and straw in high demand. Many farmers relied on shipped-in feed to sustain their livestock, facing financial strain and uncertainty in the process. Amidst these challenges, one beacon of hope emerged: Hazelwood's Mill. Established in the early 1900s, the mill quickly became a lifeline for the community, grinding grain and producing quality flour and feed for farmers with a wide radius. Hazelwood's Mill wasn't just a business, it was the heart of the community, a gathering place where locals exchanged stories, shared advice, and built lasting friendships. The mill's presence not only sustained livelihoods, but also fostered a sense of unity and camaraderie among the villagers. As we reflect on the journey of Bittern Lake, one thing becomes abundantly clear. In this quiet corner of Alberta, the ties that bind us to the land and to each other are unbreakable, enduring through the passage of time and trials of history. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you did, feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may also enjoy it, and remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.